Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Speaking cat today. Focusing faintly.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Actually, the name of my village is Khalbanga. It is located in Nalitavari in Shepur district. It's very nice and very beautiful village. You may go there by any vehicle. Actually, people go there by hiring CNG. My village is very famous for its natural beauty. There is also a big river named Bugai River in my village. Most of the people are Muslim. There are some Hindus live in my village. Most of the people are also farmer. They cultivate different kinds of crops in their fields. Actually, my village looks very beautiful in a moonlit night. You may have a walk inside the river in a moonlit night. When in a moonlit night, the light of moon reflects in the water of that river, and the moon looks like a silver dish in a moonlit night. You may enjoy the beauty. You may enjoy the main beauty of my village in a moonlit night. And the people of my village are also very well. Their behavior and character is also well. And there is a primary school in my village. There is also a mosque in my village. There is also a small medical center in my village. There is also a village doctor in my village. Villagers usually go to him and take medical information to them whenever they got in. And after that, my village is actually very famous in Nalitavari Upazila, because it's very beautiful and the people are very good and very honest. So I will suggest everyone to go to your native village, because people who live in cities, they don't get much time to visit their native villages. So whenever you will get a summer or winter vacation, I will suggest you to go to your native village, because it's our responsibility to go to our native village and enjoy the beautifulness of Bangladesh. So no more today. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And